Hello everyone, today we're doing a buying guide on this made from the Shepherd image. I bought it at the dollar store for $3. Has a price tag of $24 in the other store. Just gonna open it up and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. I'm gonna tell you guys should probably buy it. It's a great deal. So here we go. Nice little case. So open up the case. Two sides, cords, and the power adapter. This is a power adapter for your car, USB, and a 12-volt right there, and USB. And also another cool function is it's a light. See that? So if you ever need some roadside light, decently bright light, and it gets charged by the 12-volt. This is not plugged in anything, it's just a rechargeable light. And it has 5 cords. Let me show you the 5 cords. For a Nokia cord, USB to Nokia, USB to, I'm not quite sure, probably it looks like a BlackBerry, USB to Apple, and USB to micro USB. And also USB to, I'm not quite sure, to a BUSB. Not quite sure what that one is. Also comes in a carrying case. Good for your car. If you need to charge your phone in your car, you're always charging your phone in your car. This will be great for that. Okay, thank you guys and have a wonderful day.